This video is from Trimax Umbrella Private Limited, Shengote. This video is taken to show that the fire alarm will work without electricity and generator current. The operator is now going to switch off the electric current, and before that, you on the top left hand corner you can see the tube light burning, which is running on TNEB electricity current. And then now the generator panel board is on the left hand side, and the operator is going to switch off both the current in the factory. As you can see that this is off in off position, and you can hear the fire alarm ringing now. I hope it is clear now that the fire alarm will work without electricity and generator current. Thank you.